Hello friends, Basic Mathematics Geometry Part 4 in which we are going to learn about the angle. Hello friends, myself Sunil Kumar Jadhav and welcome back to the series of Basic Mathematics in which we are going to learn the basic about the geometry. This is part number 4. If you have not seen part 1, 2 and 3, then go to those part. I have given the link in the below description so you can see those part and then come to this part in which we are going to learn about the angle. By learning this basic mathematics geometry, you will become master in geometry at least for the basic level. This is my guarantee to you. So see this part number 4 in which we are going to discuss further more about angle. In first part we have seen what is angle. After that we have seen the division of plane by the angle and we have seen the types of angle on the basis of its measure, that is measurement between 0 to 180. Now here we are going to see about the related angle. Let us begin. First angle that we are going to learn about is complementary angle. What is the meaning of complementary? Always remember this word complementary. This can be useful for you in entire geometry anywhere, even in the mathematics also. What is the meaning of complementary? When sum of the measure of two angles is 90 degree, the angles are called complementary angles. Remember that. When we are doing sum total of two angles and it becomes 90, we can call those angles are complementary angles. Say for example, here I have taken one of the example. Here you can see one of the angle, that is angle ABC, is of measure 60 degree, and another angle that I have taken, angle PQR, which is of measure 30. If we will do the total of both of them, that is angle ABC plus angle PQR, if we will do the total, that is 60 plus 30, it is equal to 90. So these two angles ABC and angle PQR are called as a complementary angle. As per the definition, when sum of the measure of two angles is 90 degree, then these angles are called as a complementary angle. What would be the other complementary angle? Complementary angle, suppose one of the angle is of measure 50 and another is of measure, that is what we say 40. The total would be 90. So these two angles would also consider as the complementary angle. Similar way, even you can take another example, that is anything, whatever it comes to your mind, you can take it. 70 plus 20. So these two angle total is 90. They are considered as the complementary angle. So this is how we can say when the sum of the measure of two angle is 90, then angles are called as a complementary angle. Now let us discuss certain questions related to it. We'll give the answer in yes or no. Can two acute angles be complementary to each other? What is the meaning of acute angle? We saw in the earlier video. The measure of the angle would be less than 90. Then those angles are called as acute angle. Can two acute angle be complementary? Can it be complementary? Then definitely we saw that whatever angle we have taken and do the total, it becomes 19. Though that case both the angles are acute. Acute angle means what? The angles between 0 to 90. Then only the sum total of those two angles would be 90. So can two acute angles be complementary to each other? Yes, it is. Yes. Second question, can two right angles be complementary to each other? As it is a 90 degree itself, 90 plus 90, it becomes 180. So it is simply impossible that two right angle can never be complementary to each other, because the total would be 90. One angle is 90, then another angle we cannot take 0, definitely. So this is the wrong statement. It is no. Can two obtuse angle be complementary to each other? Obtuse angle means what? The angle which is having measure more than 90. Then you can understand more than 90, if you will take it even 91 plus 91, it would be 182. So if it is more than 90, sum total can never be 90. In that case we can say the obtuse angles can never be complementary to each other. So this is also no. Let us discuss about the next type of angle, that is supplementary angles. What is the meaning of supplementary angle? Let us see the definition. When sum of the measures of two angles is 180, the angles are called supplementary angles. As we saw, in complementary angles, sum total of two angles are 90. And in this, the sum total of the angle is 180. Then we are considered as the supplementary angles. Say for example, here I had given the example. You can see one of the angle, that angle is PQR. I'll write it here, PQR, plus another angle is XYZ. XYZ. Normally we can write it measure angle PQR and measure angle XYZ. But in NCERT textbook it is given angle PQR and angle XYZ. It is okay. Measure means its measure is only in number, so it is understood. So you can take it this way, PQR and XYZ. So angle PQR plus XYZ, let us do the total. PQR is of 100 plus XYZ is of 80. If we'll do the total of both of them, it is 180. As per the definition, when sum of the measure of two angles is 180, the angles are called supplementary angles. So these two angles, PQR and XYZ, are supplementary angle. In the similar way, you can take one of the angle is 110 and another angle is 70. The sum total is 180. Those are also considered as the supplementary angle. Even you can take it 90 plus 90. It is also 180. Even if you will take it one of the angle which is less than 90, that is what we have already taken, 70 plus 110. Now we can take any other angle as per your choice. You can take it, that is we will take it 50 plus 130. If we'll do the total, it is 180. So in this case, when the sum total of the measure of two angle is 180, those angles are called as the supplementary angle. I hope you understand. Complementary means two angles having sum total 90, it is called complementary. Supplementary, if two angles having sum total is 180, they are called supplementary. Let us discuss certain question and we'll clarify our concept. Let us see this questions. Can two acute angles be supplementary to each other? What is the meaning of acute angle? Acute means the angle would be in between 0 to 90. Even if we will take it 89 plus 89. Let us try to do the total. What would be the total? 178. It can not be 180. So two acute angles can never be supplement to each other. No. Two acute angle can never be supplementary angles. Can two right angle be supplementary to each other? Definitely yes. 90 plus 90. You know, two right angles. Right angle means what? One angle is 90 and another is also 90. Then sum total is 180. So this is right. Yes. Third one. Can two obtuse angles be supplementary to each other? If it is obtuse angle, two obtuse angle we want to take. One angle I will take 100 and another angle I will take 100. In that total would be 200. It cannot be 180. So it cannot. Even if you will take it 91 plus 91, you can do the total. 91 plus 91, 182. So it is more than 180. So we can say two acute angle can never be supplementary. Two obtuse angle can never be supplementary, but two right angle can become supplementary. I hope you understand about this concept of complementary angles and supplementary angles. This would be useful for you in future also. When we are talking about complement, you have to remember sum total is 90, and when we are talking about supplementary angle, it would be sum total is 180. If you like this video, then click on the like button so I can get the motivation to make more video in this series and share with your friends also. If you have not seen the earlier part, then I had given the link in the description, so go in the description and see that link and you will understand the concept of the basic geometry and you will become master in basic geometry. Let us meet in next part, that is part 5. Thank you so much.